Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go click that subscribe button and turn your post notification bells so you know when I post a new video. So as you guys can tell by today's title, I'm going to be doing the June Boxycharm unboxing. Yes, I do this every month. I get Boxycharm in the mail every month and I absolutely love it, and I highly suggest everyone who loves doing makeup, skincare, anything like that to go buy this. I only pay $25 a month and I get 5 full-size name brand products in, and I absolutely love everything. So I have my Boxycharm here with me and I have 5 items in it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the 5 items and explain what it is. I have a little pamphlet in here. It says Boxycharm and it tells me the name of all the products and it tells me what it does for your skin, and it tells me the actual retail price. So like I said, I only pay $25, so this box is well worth over $100. I always leave in the description box below how much the actual retail price is, so go ahead and check the description box out. And yeah, let's just get right into this. I'm going to show you guys my products and I'm just going to go in order of what they say. So the first item is the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner. It's the foaming face wash. So this is it. I've heard a lot about Kylie Jenner skincare. I'm not too sure if I'm that fond of it, but I've never tried it, although my friend has tried it and she absolutely swears by it. She loves it and it actually cleared her face up a little bit. So I don't know, I may need to try it. So this is just the foaming face wash. It says, our luxurious foaming face wash is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. And this is actually $24. So this alone is already how much I pretty much pay for the Boxycharm box. So this also came with the Kylie Jenner skincare. It's the Kylie Jenner little pamphlet thing, Kylie Skin. It gave me a little coupon code for $5 off. If you guys want $5 off, all you have to do is use Boxy5. But don't use that if you don't have Boxycharm. Go get Boxycharm and then go use it, guys, alright? So this is the Kylie Jenner Skin. I kind of want to open it to see what it looks like. Ooh, this is what it looks like. I actually like the packaging, pretty cute. There's no scent, which is good. I don't like putting anything scented on my face because I find that I break out. Ew, it's open and it's breaking. Ew. Okay, moving on to the second one. This is the Laura Geller Multitasking Cream to Powder Trio. I'm gonna assume it's this. Let's see what this is. Gotta open out the package. This is it. And it says Multitasking Eye, Lip, Cheek Palette Cream to Powder Trio. Ooh. That's pretty. These are the colors. And this is the 3-Well Multitasking Cream to Powder Face Palette. Includes 2 finishes, Demi Matte and Subtle Shimmer. Each shade can be used on various parts of the face, including the lips, eyes, and cheeks. The silky smooth transformative texture goes on like a cream for easy blending and finishes like a powder for long-lasting color payoff. And this is $24 as well. The colors are Tuscan Coral, Coconut Grove, and Gold Dust. These are some shades of nude. Wow. This is actually really pretty. I like this shimmer. Cool. Moving on to the next one. It is the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Is this it? Yeah. So Tula Skincare, this is what it looks like. Focus, focus. There we go. This is it. And this says, this eye balm stick delivers a lit from within glow While instantly hydrating, cooling, and filling in lines around the eyes, you'll feel awake with this eye balm and look refreshed and energized so you can glow and get it. Glow and get it. Get me? Go and get it. That's funny. All right, this is $28. I've actually heard of Tula skincare, and I heard it was actually so good for you. Let's see what this looks like. This is what it looks like. Okay, that's what it looks like. What the? What is that? Do I take that off? Oh yeah. So it's like a little balm that I guess you just put underneath your eye. That's cool. Let's put that back on. Glowing, get it, cooling and eye brightening. Da, da, da. Did I say how much it was? $28. Yeah, I said it. Okay, moving on. See, like, these are all good items, and you only get it for $25. So the next item is KAB Cosmetics, KAB. It's a lip duo. I've never heard of this brand. This is the Charming Lip Duo. Has everything you need to create the glossy lip you've always wanted. This vanilla scented duo is perfect for a night out on the town or a casual everyday look. Use the liner and gloss together or each on their own. And this is $40. What the hell? KAB. Lip liner and gloss. Cruelty free. So it's Charming. And let's see the color. Ooh, it's like a nice pink shade. So this is the lip liner and this is the gloss. The lip liner is Charming. Oh, so they're both called Charming. I guess it's just like a duo that you would wear together. I'm kind of gonna swatch it on my wrist real quick because I want to see what it looks like. So this is the lip liner. That's the lip liner by itself, and then I'm just gonna put the lip gloss right by it. And that's the lip gloss with it. So it's actually oh wait, can you see? Ooh, ooh, ooh. So it's actually really, oh shit, I just got my pants. Oh, that smells so good. It legit smells like vanilla. It smells like vanilla. Let's see. Nah, that doesn't smell like anything. Oh, this is pretty. So this is a cute little pinkish color. If you like wearing pink, go get it. But yeah, I can't wait to try this stuff out. And I have one more item for you guys. This was a quick little vid, so I'm just gonna show you guys the last item. This is Lashaholic luxury lashes. They're real, I swear. 100% silk lashes created on a lightweight soft cotton band that'll leave your eyes loving you. Made with a light crisscross pattern and tapered ends for a natural glam look. This is $14.99. This is what it looks like. And yes, I've heard of this brand before. Their lashes are actually really cute. Lashaholic luxury lashes. This is called They're Real, I Swear. Ready, set, get addicted. It's glittery too. This is what the lashes looks like. So they're pretty natural. These lashes are pretty natural. They don't have dramaticness to them, so they're not bad. So if you like the natural look, this is it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Those were the 5 items that came in my Boxycharm. So I got Kylie Cosmetics, I got KAB, I don't really know what this is, but I actually can't wait to try this. I think I'm gonna take off this lip color and put this one on. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add all of the retail prices up, and I'll leave in the description box how much the total actually is. I highly recommend Boxycharm. Like I said, if you do love doing your makeup and you do love doing skincare, this is definitely the box for you. It has 5 full size name brand products, so that's absolutely great. And yeah, that's about it, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what else you want to see from me. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Come join me on this journey, guys. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.